Hi, people. So, I'm just gonna show my. The reason why I don't have an LPS is because I'm making slime, and and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, ready, set, go. And the reason, I don't know which way it was, but the reason why I haven't been filming is because of this arm. I just located it, but it's a little bit better now. I can kind of move it. So let's get on. You will need glue, any kind is good, shaving cream, laundry detergent, I use Tide, and a bowl to mix it in. My dad wouldn't let me use a bowl, so I had to use the bottom of a Pepsi cup, and something to mix it with. And then I just wanted to add these for fun. So first you're gonna want to add some glue. Use as much as you want to make slime, of course. Okay, take it up. You don't need to stir it. Oh my gosh, there's Pepsi still at the bottom. Then you need to pour your laundry detergent in. There we go. Come on out. As much as you need. Then add shaving cream. This is a little messy, so I'm gonna add it like this. Add as much as you want. It's actually gonna try to make, it's whatever you want to say, fluffy slime or butter slime, I don't know, but you know. Then just stir. Oh gosh, this is hard, so I'll pause it when I'm done. Once you get to the time where it's like activating it, I think we should add these. Whoop. Well, hello. Oh no, it's not coming. Where in the world are you coming out of? Help me. Oh, that looks cool. Okay, I added some. Now I'm gonna mix, and yeah. Once you stir it and it's like this, pick it up and play with it. So I'm gonna take it out right now, and yeah. Okay, just take this sticky straw out, because I'm gonna make more, but it's really sticky at first, but just keep playing with it and it'll get better. See, just, yeah. So yeah, this is it. Hope you like this video, and bye. Actually, I prefer when it's right here. You should add more of these ball things, so bye.